Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here it is Crypto Dad. In today's video, I'll be taking you through on how to perform crypto arbitrage on Binance. Okay, so I'll just be going over to my Binance app right now. If you don't have a Binance app, I already made video on how to create a Binance account and how to verify a Binance account. If you want to perform crypto arbitrage, you must have a crypto exchange. To do that, so I'll just be going over to my profile. When I go over to my profile, you see I have a verified Binance account, so I can perform a lot of transactions using this Binance app. The cryptocurrency we'll be performing today's crypto arbitrage on is USDT. We'll be performing an arbitrage on USDT. So I'll just go over to my wallet. I'll go over to the sports area. So you'll be seeing the amount of USDT I'm having right now. So I'm having 11 USDT right now. And if you don't have USDT, you can go ahead to make a return of NGN to buy USDT. Okay, let me just go over to this trade. I want to show us the price. And this spot area, you see the present worth of 1 USDT. Why if I should go over to the P2P area? Okay, then I'll be going over to the sell area. So you see the present worth of 1 USDT here. So we'll be using the P2P to perform a crypto arbitrage right now. If you want to make money by performing crypto arbitrage, you can just watch this video and make sure you like, share, and also turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop any video. Also remember to subscribe. So guys, let's just get started right now. I'll be going back. So I'll just go over to this wallet. Okay, let's say I'm not having USDT in my wallet. Now I want to buy USDT. I'll just click on this engine. That I have to click on my local currency. Then I'll be seeing a deposit button at this side. But let's say you're not seeing NGN here. You just have to go ahead to search for NGN. So when you search for NGN, you'll be seeing the currency. So this NGN. I'll click on NGN. Then I'll click on this deposit button. Okay, then I'll be taking over to the area where I'll be asked to make a deposit. Then you just go to make a deposit of NGN into your Binance account. So after you made a deposit, you'll be seeing the amount into your Binance account. So once you've seen the amount, the next thing you have to do is you have to go over to this trade area. Then you have to go over to this convert section. When you come over to this convert, you have to select NGN. We want to convert our currency from NGN to USDT. I'll just select our USDT. Once I select that, I'll enter the amount. Let's say I made a recharge of 10,000 engine. So you see the amount I'll be receiving. I'll be receiving this amount. I'll just click on this preview conversion to check that. Okay, you see I'll be receiving this amount in USDT. But if I don't want to make use of this convert area, I can just go back. Then I'll be going along with this spot area. So you see the present worth of 1 USDT right now. Then I'll just select USDT engine. Then I'll click on this buy button. So let's say I want to buy 10,000 naira worth of NGN. You see the amount I'll be receiving. So I'll be receiving 10 USDT if I'm purchasing for this amount. Then I'll just click on this buy USDT. So instead of going over to this convert area, I'll just come over to this sports area to like perform the transaction, perform the buying transaction. Because at the convert section, you are going to be charged some fees. So once you've converted it to USDT, let me go back. I want to sell my TRX. I want to sell my TRX to USDT right now. So I want to sell the total amount I'm having. Okay, so I'll be receiving 7.7 USDT. I'll close this page. Okay, see the present amount of USDT I'm having right now. So I can go ahead to perform the crypto arbitrage right now. For most of us that don't know what crypto arbitrage is, crypto arbitrage just simply means you buying cryptocurrency at a low price on an exchange, then selling it high on another exchange. Okay, so when we go over to this trade section on Binance, we'll be seeing the present worth of 1 USDT here. As 1 USDT is going for 999 naira on Binance. But the other time I went over to the peer-to-pay method, I saw that their fee is kind of like different, that their rate is kind of high. Okay, so you'll be seeing the present rate for this merchant. You see the present rate, but you'll be seeing the limit. His limit is from 5 million naira above. You see this percent rate also. Okay, but if yours is not showing NGN here, if it's not showing the rates in NGN, you have to like come over here to change it to NGN. Just come over there, because yours is going to be in USD. You just have to select NGN. Okay, after you've selected NGN, go over to this sell area. Then go ahead to click on the filter if you are not performing a large amount. But if you're performing a larger amount, so you can just select this merchant to transact with. You'll be seeing his rate. Okay, for this I'll be making a profit of 16 naira if I'm performing a transaction here. On Binance the rate is 1000 naira, so let's just approximate it to 1000 naira. But on this peer-to-peer, you'll be seeing the rate is 1060 naira here. So I'll be making a profit of 16 naira times the number of USDT I want to sell. If I want to sell 1000 USDT, as I'll be timesing this 1000 times my profit. I'll be making a profit of 60,000 naira upon this transaction. So let's just get started right now. You have to come over to this filter. Since my amount is not up to this amount, I'll come over to this filter. When I come over here, then I'll just enter the total amount I want to transact with. Okay, let's want to transact from 15,000 naira. Okay, so I can just go to select the bank I want to go with all, the country all. Then I'll click on this confirm button. So you'll be seeing the present rate. This person is like buying USDT for, so we can sell it to this person, and you'll be seeing the completion rate, which is 96%. Okay, so you know I'm having 19 USDT in my balance. I can just go over to this my calculator. Binance, the rate is 1000 naira times 19 USDT. I'll be getting this amount 19,000 naira on Binance. But if I'm using the price on peer-to-peer method, okay, that's times the 19 USDT I'm having, I'll be making a profit of 950 naira upon this transaction. And you know, when you're performing transaction on Binance, you're going to be charged some network fee. If you're making withdrawal, so you may charge some merchant fee. Okay, so I'm still okay with this. I'll be making a profit of 950 naira. Let's say the amount I'm transacting with is much, so I'll be making much more profit here. I'll be making a profit of 10,000 naira upon this transaction. Okay, so I just go back to Binance. Then I'll just click on this sell button. I want to sell my USDT to this person. So I'll be transacting with crypto. I'm not transacting with fiat. Since my USDT is in crypto, I'll just click on this all. But I've not transferred it to my funding. So I need to go back to this wallet. Then at this spot, I need to transfer my USDT from spot to funding. I'll click on this transfer button. Then I'll just select maximum. I want to transact. I want to transfer everything to my funding. I'll click on this confirm transfer. So you see it has been transferred successfully. You'll be seeing the amount in USDT I'm having in my funding. So it has already arrived my funding. After it has arrived, then I'll just go out to this peer-to-peer. Okay, so if your currency is still USD, just change it to NGN. Then click on this sell button. You know, we are performing a transaction with USDT. Just select USDT, then come over to this filter. Enter the amount you want to transact with. So let's say I want to transact with 19,000 naira. So I just click on this confirm button. So you'll be seeing the rate. So you'll be seeing the rate of this person. So I'll be making a profit of 15 naira upon this transaction. Let me go back to my calculator. Okay, so I'll be making 950 naira upon this transaction. Then I'll just click on this sell button. So I want to sell to this person. I want to transact the whole amount I'm having. So I'm having 19.35 USDT. You see the amount I'll be receiving. Let me calculate it. Let's say to transact the total amount I'm having on Binance. So I'll be receiving this amount that's 19,350 naira. But here I'll be receiving. So I just have to like subtract the 19,350 from this one here. As from this, let's just round it up to this. I'll be making a profit of 970 naira upon this transaction. I'll just go back. I need to select my payment method. So if you've not added it, you'll be seeing a button here whereby you can add it. I've selected OP. I'll be receiving this amount into my OP account. You see, I won't be charged any merchant fee. I'll be receiving this exact amount. I'll click on sell USDT. The transaction is ongoing right now. You see the price this person is buying USDT from. So it's still better than the present rate on Binance. So this is what crypto arbitrage means. Just you buying cryptocurrency at a low price, and you're selling this high at a higher price. So you can just come over to your Binance account every day to perform the transaction. That's to perform the crypto arbitrage. Make a recharge of NGN into your wallet. After you've made the recharge, go to buy USDT on the spot area on Binance. After you bought it, then go over to the peer-to-peer section to sell it off to merchant. Then you'll be seeing the profit you'll be making. You know, if it was that I was transacting with an higher amount, I'll be making much more profit here. So I just be going over to this chart. So guys, I already received the payment into my OP account. I'll click on this payment received. So guys, this is how to go about performing crypto arbitrage here. The initial amount I was supposed to get was this. That is 19,350. But while using the peer-to-peer method, that is the crypto arbitrage, so I got this instead of this. Already took us through on how to perform crypto arbitrage on Binance. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure you like, share, turn on the notification icon and subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day guys.